Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's topic is focused on a tool specifically designed to help discover other tools. That's essentially its tagline. When discussing platforms such as ChatGPT, it's important to note that it faces hundreds of competitors in the market. Many alternatives surpass it in certain aspects, while others fall short. In the fast-paced AI landscape, there's simply no time to try out 10 different tools just to determine which one stands out. That's where curated tool directories come into play. These directories provide quick access to a wide variety of solutions. One such platform is a website called There's an AI for That. No matter the task, there's likely an AI tool tailored to that particular need. The site offers an efficient and straightforward interface. Upon logging in, the interface shows 0 tools initially. A free mode is accessible, and for those who prefer more features, another mode is also offered. Another mode is available as well, and what makes this platform highly scalable is that it features 39,000 AI tools, each specifically designed to handle one or more of 13,000 unique tasks found online. Additionally, there are 5,000 job listings currently accessible through the platform. To walk through the basic functionality of the site, when scrolling down, different years are listed. For instance, since it's currently August, updates related to that month are highlighted. The platform displays tools launched in prior months too, such as Instant Might, which came out in July. July also featured tools like Vidinly AI, Redesigner AI, and Web5 Lab. Going back further, June had its own lineup of tools, and older innovations can even be traced back to 2016. And if we talk about 2018, we had some tools that were launched. Moving forward to 2022, it can be observed that several tools were introduced during that period as well. Resolve AI, Keyword Search, Stock Image 2024. These are examples from the generation released last year. To begin with, the platform offers an automated interface. Within it, various tabs are available, including Latest, and a section labeled For You, which highlights tailored tool suggestions. In addition to that, there's a Trending section. This section features tools that are currently receiving the highest engagement in the market, such as Quick Ads, Talk to Page, Author's Voice, Global GPT, Relay.app, Let Me Know When, and several others that are accessible for exploration. By switching to free mode, a range of filter options becomes visible. For instance, selecting tools that are completely free is possible. Once that's selected, searching by topic becomes straightforward. Typing a topic like audio and pressing enter initiates the search process. All relevant tools instantly appear after the search is executed. For instance, PACT is a free compliance tool, along with Revolve, Audio Atlas, and Jukebox. Similar to Jukebox, many other tools are available for immediate use. Within the free mode, there's also a leaderboard feature. This leaderboard identifies the top AI tools currently being utilized. At the top position, ChatGPT is listed, followed by FreePick AI Generator, Gemini, Perplexity, Thea, NotebookLM, Suno, DeepSeek, and more. Based on these listings, it's evident that ChatGPT is currently ranked the highest by the platform. The website provides guidance on how to navigate it, view pricing details, and explore new releases. Additionally, reviews from various users are displayed, offering direct feedback. The platform also outlines strategic execution details to support effective use. This section explains how the platform can be utilized efficiently. It currently holds a 4.1 rating. One review, for example, mentions, "Not going to lie, ChatGPT helped me with that. I'm in school. It's intuitive and clever. This is great." Such feedback reflects user satisfaction. Additionally, there's an option to submit personal requests directly through the platform. Exploring the leaderboard further reveals a wide variety of tools. Alongside those, numerous other tools are accessible. Now, regarding practical applications, suppose there's a need for options related to architecture. Clicking on the Architect category reveals 11 available tools. For instance, if the goal is to study architectural design, it's worth checking whether any related AI tools exist. In this case, tools tailored to that field are displayed, such as Lighthouse, Image Generator, and Professional 3D Architecture. If there's interest in trying out any of them, a direct access option is provided. Clicking on a specific tool redirects to its detailed page. This section demonstrates how to interact with and test an AI tool directly from the platform. When visiting the website, users can try out features right away. For instance, after accessing a specific tool, users can enter a prompt, which is often generated automatically. They can also set preferences like aspect ratio before clicking Generate to view the tool's output. Toward the end of the video, users will receive details about connecting the tool with its official website. But for testing purposes, it's easy to explore whether a tool is worth using. In this example, the tool provided a concept for a luxurious, high-class hotel. If users prefer a quicker experience, they can use the tool in a mini version or choose to visit its full website. The platform makes this transition seamless. There's also an option labeled Explore the Mini Tools, ideal for quick, lightweight usage. Overall, this is just the beginning of what the free mode and text generation features have to offer. If you're interested in creating your own tool, the platform offers straightforward options to get started. You can begin with basic configurations like selecting a text-to-text functionality, then proceed to define elements such as the tool name, prompt, visibility settings, and more. Let's say you want to create a chatbot. You would select the text-to-text option and name your tool accordingly. From there, you could build a fully functional tool directly within the platform. This allows for customization and experimentation without requiring complex development skills. I will write the name here, Chatbot Husky. And for tool prompt, we will write here, System Prompts GitHub. Next, we'll head over to the X1X repository, where a variety of options are available. From these, I'll select the system prompt for Perplexity. This section contains the structured prompt content required for configuration. Once we've located the desired prompt, we simply copy and paste it into our tool setup. This will provide us with a fully prepared prompt, making the tool ready for use or further customization. Next, instead of keeping the name Perplexity, I'll rename the tool to Chatbot Husky. Once renamed, I'll proceed to configure the rest of the settings. We'll make the tool publicly available and confirm that user input is required. To guide the interaction, I'll add a prompt asking, "What is your concern for your dear Husky?" Let's assume the user types, "Hi, I want answers for mathematics." Upon preview, the system prompt will be processed and the tool will respond accordingly, generating a fully functional chatbot interface. As you can see, the bot replies with something like, "I'm here to help with mathematics." This confirms that the tool is not only responsive, but also functionally reliable. Once everything is configured, I'll save the tool, and it will now be accessible under the name Chatbot Husky in our repository, available for others to explore and use. You can now see that Chatbot Husky is published and fully functional. After publishing, it becomes a complete, user-ready tool. Congratulations! You've officially created your first AI tool, and the best part, it's 100% free to use. To try it out, let's ask something like, "Can you suggest me some good horror films?" You'll notice that Chatbot Husky responds instantly based on the given prompt, offering suggestions. This demonstrates the dynamic capabilities of your tool. Beyond creating chatbots, if you want to explore image generation, this platform provides a free option as well. You can input a specific prompt, and the tool will generate an image accordingly. For example, after entering your prompt and hitting generate, the tool will process it and return an image based on your input. In fact, this platform isn't just limited to finding tools. It also offers a comprehensive base where users can explore job roles, team structures, career opportunities, and more. Additionally, it includes interactive characters, making the experience more engaging. This feature allows users to experiment with creating custom voices, which is both fun and practical. Personally, I've been using this tool for quite a while now, primarily because its update section stays current. For instance, Remio, one of the tools listed here, was just updated 2 days ago, meaning the platform delivers very recent updates. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update about new tools and hidden, fascinating websites that we're here to help you uncover.